And that is the Feastables quality promise. From the sourcing of our beans to the final wrap, we ensure every bar is perfect.
We meticulously oversee the entire process, from sourcing and roasting to the final smooth temper. For instance, we start by meticulously cleaning and sorting the beans before cracking them in the winnower. The chocolate, explaining flavor development and texture transformation. The Feastables recipe philosophy ensures smoothness and the perfect snap. We start by separating the shells, then grind the nibs until the texture is perfect. This is the Feastables fee. We start by separating the shells, then grind the nibs until the texture is perfect. This is the Feastables fee. The continuous grinding process transforms the nibs into this rich, velvety cocoa liquor. The Feastables philosophy means prioritizing the cocoa liquor. Fewer ingredients, but much higher quality. The slow, deliberate churning in the conching machine is absolutely crucial for developing the velvety smoothness. We are dialing in the cooling curves right now to ensure we get that signature snap and perfect crystallization.
We maintain strict control over the viscosity and flow rate. The pressure must be exact to ensure perfect tempering down the line.
Pay close attention to the readout here, Leo. The portion accuracy must be within the specified tolerance before we initiate the pour. And as you can see, the slow pour ensures that perfect temper and a flawless finish in every single piece. The precision is unmatched. See how the vibration perfects the texture. No more air bubbles.
The setting seems just right now.
Absolutely flawless for the macro shot. We maintain a consistent temperature gradient here to ensure the structural integrity of the molds as they cool.
The synchronization looks excellent, Maya. Very efficient.
See how smooth these edges are? That consistency is vital for the packaging machinery.
Right, I understand. So the shape affects the cooling time.
That one's out of tolerance.
We use only the finest gluten-free oats and lavender straight from the farm. And you can really see the quality in these finished shea butter bars.
Yeah.
As you can see, the target weight is exactly 100 grams. We need to maintain that precise measurement for every bar.
Got it, Maya. Ensuring consistency is key.
The lamination ensures complete protection against moisture and oxygen ingress.
Excellent clarity, and the seal integrity looks perfect.
As you can see, the automated lines operate at peak efficiency, wrapping over 500 bars per minute.
We need minimal pressure deviation for this batch.
Running the cycle now.
Perfect. The green light confirms the seal integrity.
The code on the can links directly to the batch data on this screen. We can trace every single unit back to the source materials instantly.
Check the labeling and the seal integrity on this one.
Looks solid, Maya. No issues here.
Great, moving on.
We need to keep this pace to meet the quota for the European shipment. See the update on the tablet.
Does that include the new pallets arriving this afternoon?
The temperature in zone 3 is currently at 4.2 degrees. We must maintain that within half a degree fluctuation.
Confirmed. The sensor logs look good.
With this facility, we're scaling our distribution network to reach thousands of new customers every day. It's an incredible operation. We've prioritized the co-ops that meet the fair trade standards we set last year.
And the impact on the supply chain is minimal. This looks promising, Maya.
The new robotic arms have increased efficiency by 20%.
That aligns perfectly with the projected output for Q3.
Here at the facility, we ensure every single Feastables bar meets our incredibly high quality standards before it reaches you.
As the day ends here at the Feastables factory, we look forward to the future. A future where every bite is an experience.